Hello guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the fast smooth photo editing on Picsart. So if you want to make your face maybe looks more smooth on photo, I'm going to show you how. So just open the Picsart app first. And then here click on the plus icon and choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example, I want to edit this one and just click on the retouch option at the bottom, and then here click on the face. Click on the smooth icon. You can just click on auto, or you can just click on the manual to set this smooth editing manually. For example, so just like that, just brush it off, and then you can see the face has been changed into more smooth or smoothened, just like that. I want to show you the other photo. For example, I want to use this photo and just do the exact same steps. This is the other one, or I want to add manually. Okay, so just like that, and click on the plus icon, and then click on the check icon, and then click on save. If you want to save the photo, just click on this. Okay, so that is how you can make your face smooth on Picsart. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.